Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to cancel a Binance P2P sell order. The first step you need to take is, if you're using the Binance website, go to wallet and select P2P. Then click on orders. If you're using an app, go to Binance app, go to trades and then select P2P, click on orders at the top. Then next you're going to find the sell order, whether you're using the website or the app. After doing the first step, you find the sell order which you wish to cancel. You see it under the pending tab, then click cancel order. Next is to select the reason for your cancellation. You may see options related to buyer's issues, seller's issues, and you can also give your own reasons. For example, you change your mind or you made a mistake. Next, on selecting the reason, you have to click confirm cancellation or yes to finalize the cancellation. It's important for you to know that regarding cancellation, both buyers and sellers can cancel orders when the order status is verification required. Cancellation in this stage will not affect your completion rate. For orders not requiring verification, buyers can usually cancel an order when the status is pending payment or coin release in progress. Sellers generally cannot directly cancel an order once the buyer has marked it as paid. If you haven't received a payment, you should not confirm the release of the cryptocurrency and can use the appeal function to contact Binance support for assistance. If you cancel an order due to buyer-related reasons, your completion rate as a seller may be affected. If you as a buyer cancel due to seller-related reasons and the seller accepts your reason, your completion rate should not be affected. If a buyer cancels an order citing a seller issue, the seller may need to confirm the cancellation reason within a specific time frame, e.g. 10 minutes, or the system automatically accepts it. Buyers may limit the number of cancellations you can make within a certain period. For example, up to 3 cancellations per day for buyer-related reasons. Exceeding this limit may lead to temporary restriction on your P2P trading activities. Do not cancel the order if the buyer has already paid. In this situation, you should verify receipt of funds and release the cryptocurrency. If you have not received payment but the buyer claims they have paid, use the appeal function and provide proof. Binance escrow service is in place to hold the cryptocurrency until both parties confirm the transaction. Quick cancel for merchants. Verified Binance P2P merchants may have access to a quick cancel function in specific scenarios where the buyer is unresponsive after marking the order as paid, but the seller hasn't received funds. This may require a sufficient merchant deposit. In summary, to cancel a Binance P2P sell order, navigate to your order, click cancel order, select the appropriate reason, usually related to the buyer not paying or being unresponsive before you confirm release, and confirm the cancellation. Be mindful of any potential impacts on your completion rate and the importance of not cancelling if the buyer has already paid.